Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sharde, and today I'm going to show you one of the best liquid chlorophylls on the market. So I've used this brand plenty of times. I love liquid chlorophyll, and I always like to get it from Nature's Sunshine. If I can't get it from Nature's Sunshine, I'll buy something at Whole Foods or another health food store. But my top pick is Nature's Sunshine liquid chlorophyll. So it comes with some tissue paper. Let me go ahead and get my personal information out of the box. Here it is, Liquid Chlorophyll ES, and that stands for extra strength. This is vitamin B complex. Now, if you don't know what vitamin B complex is good for, it's good for your nervous system, and it's also great for your mood. The Nature's Sunshine sugar-free love and peace. I love this protein. I have not tasted any protein on the market that tastes better than this, and I love that it's a rich meal replacement. So you guys will be seeing me make my smoothies with my love and peace. 100% vegan, dairy free, gluten free, and keto friendly. And then also I got some children's probiotic power. This is to help my kids with gut issues, and then also with their eczema, because I was told a lot of times if you have eczema, you need a probiotic. So I got these for my kids. And then look at that. I've been waiting on this, y'all. I have been waiting on this product, and I'm gonna tell you why. The reviews on this product is so good. A lot of people are saying that they can see a big difference in their hair, skin, nails. They love it. And y'all know I love me some collagen, okay? It's good for skin, elasticity, and health, healthy hair, strong nails, supports bones and joints, supports gut health, also electrolytes and trace minerals. Oh, it's about to go down. Non-GMO, keto friendly, paleo friendly, gluten free, and dairy free. So I cannot wait to try it. Tissue paper. Oh, this is just some information, like a welcome to Nature's Sunshine. Well, not welcome to Nature's Sunshine, but it's pretty much like a membership kit. So I'm not gonna read all of that. Herbal expert since 1972. So that's kind of cool. I love that. But yes, guys, that's my order. I wanted to show you because you know you're gonna be seeing me use it. So why not unbox it with you guys? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next Sharde TV film. Bye.